It's a new day after another night of party, and we're on a new boat and we're doing a new adventure. So today we're going to do a couple different islands on this private boat. Leaving the shore right now. It's about noon almost. Got a little bit of sleep. Let's go. First stop. Looks cool. Aaron, lead us through to the Cobra path. There's giant anaconda down there.
Check underneath the rock.
Yeah, in the rocks,
Or in those
in the grass.
Look, what's collecting all those
and,
things right there?
Yeah, I don't know about this. Do you really want to look? I guess we're taking a peek till the Cobra runs up. I saw a video. Girls over here were just eating, and then the Cobra ran up on all of them and scared them off. Someone peed over here. What the hell? I don't know about this little jungle experience here. It looks kind of cool at the end. I don't think you can go anywhere else though.
People just taking dookies back
We're
here.
just looking. Yeah, this is just the bathroom. Thought there's gonna be something cool. Dookie area. Let's go back to the water.
What's that one though?
What?
Joking.
What? All right, never mind. We're gonna get in the water. They're all over me. They're surrounding me. I don't like these fish nibbling on me.
Go Miles.
What up?
I live a rough life. What's that, Girl Scout?
This is a really nice spot, but we have so many things to see today, so we're off to the next one. But this one actually had water you could see in, unlike all those other ones we went to. Let's go to the next spot. See a jellyfish there, right near where we were hanging out. Oh, I see the big tentacles on that one. That one looks dangerous, actually. Looks like a bunch of snorkeling over here, not far from that one. Shark? Or, oh no, quit playing, boy. Look at Aaron thinking he's the boss here. Stand up on it. Yeah. All right, we got so many other islands out here. I don't know which one we're going to, but we're doing 3 more. Beautiful out here. There's so many islands. We're off the Chicken Island right now. Then later we're going to that one. Chicken Island.
Chicken head.
Look that way. Just turn. It looked like he gets it. We had to pay an extra fee of 200 baht per person to come to this island, and it was worth it. This stop, Tup Island. Looks like a very low tide. You can just walk on the sandbar here to another little island. Oh, looks like there might be food. My favorite one. Yeah, boy. Where to? I went over there thinking there was gonna be like a little restaurant or something. Just a shack, smoothies and ramen and stuff like that. Just instant food, chips. Wish there was a restaurant. We didn't eat breakfast and I'm hungover. We're gonna walk across. The tide's low, so they got this like little sandbar here. See? A whole nother island connected to this one. This side has nothing though. It's just all rocky. That side to go to. Got some pad thai chicken, basil chicken. There is a restaurant here, pretty busy. Decent prices though. Let's see how the food is. Food's pretty good. Drinks took forever though. About time, huh?
They forgot yours.
Oh wow, that's what happened.
No, they thought it was lemon tea.
Well, thanks for clearing that up. Cheers.
Cheers.
Got a lot of tables over there for eating, restrooms, but they are the worst I've ever seen in my life. Don't go in there. Welcome to Poda Island. Check out the beach here. The water looks nice blue color. We're about to go out there and swim. If you walk further down here, it's peaceful, not many people at all. Over there, it's super crowded where all the boats are. Take a little walk, even though it's freaking burning out here. You ain't too hot.
Well, I can see you burnt.
Yeah.
Burnt.
Oh shit, I'm burnt already. Found a little hermit crab. Just trying to hide. Got all this room to ourselves right now. Started way down there. Do a little walk and you'll get the better part. Let's go to the water. It's awesome out here. Water looks very clear. See, what's that? A leaf or something? It is sad there's people throwing trash. I saw beer bottles. Every beach I've been to in Thailand so far has been trashed. I don't know if it's tourists or locals or both. Clean up. Still beautiful out here though. Light bluish green, and then it gets darker out there. Oh, I better watch my steps. Don't want to step on a jellyfish again. Water's so low you can just sit in it. It's just like 2 feet tall, but it's nice to just chill. Not great for swimming. We haven't really seen too many great spots for swimming, huh?
Yeah, nothing that actually gets deep pretty quick.
Yeah.
Except the first one, right?
Yeah, the first one actually, first spot might have been the best.
It's so small.
Clear water.
But there was jellyfish.
Yeah, jellyfish. Well, there's jellyfish like all over Thailand. When I was in Phuket in Karon Beach, so many jellyfish. But this one, very nice. All right, walk down here to the end. Beautiful little area. You could keep walking. I guess it's not the end. You could still walk along here, keep going around, but as far as I go, because I'm getting burnt already, so we got to head out. We still have to go to the villa. We have a pool, maybe have a pool party or just chill after this big day out in the beach. But anyways, this beach was nice. First one, maybe the best for the water. This is the biggest one though. Also the most crowded, unless you walk down here like I showed you guys. So do this if you come. Back to Ao Nang. That does it for Poda Island. This one was really cool. Last stop on our 4-island tour. We're heading out back to Ao Nang. To La Bella. Let's go. Back to Ao Nang.